Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out some clip-ins from the company Neferis. So first, we're just going to be doing an unboxing of the parcel. So it came in this box. And in the box, it came with a letter, really nice handwritten letter. It was very cute. I love personalized stuff like that. I got a little gift of some hair accessories that I can put in my hair. And then obviously the clip-ins themselves. So I've already gone through and washed and detangled and brushed out these clip-ins. So they're already ready to go for me. So we're going to start with the styling video. Just so you guys can see what the clip-ins look like. This is what they look like after they've been treated. So they're pretty much ready to go from here, looking exactly like my hair texture. So for the first start, I'm going to be separating the crown of my head. And then I'm going to start doing some flat twists on my hair, about 5 or 6 of them just down my head. And then after I finish doing those flat twists, I'm going to wrap them all up together and tuck them so that they all stay. Then I'm going to start adding the clip-ins onto the flat twists. And this is another way that you can protect your hair while you do this, so you don't actually have to merge it through your hair. You can actually use the clip-ins as hair instead of mixing them in with your own hair. After I've done that, I'm going to take out the crown portion and I'm going to spritz it with my hair so that I can begin just combing it out. Now this was when my hair was not trimmed. I trimmed my hair after this, so it was just looking a hot mess. After I'd combed it out a little bit, I went and parted a few more sections so that I could cover the clips so that it can merge with my hair and look all uniform. Then I went and tied up the crown section into a little bun. And just did some final touches with my hands just to make sure everything blends in, tucked what needed to be tucked, blended what needed to be blended, and this is the final look. On to the next hairstyle. I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. And then I'm going to tie one section of my hair into a pigtail and I'm going to tie that hair down so that it stays as small as possible. And then I'm going to do the other section as well. And then I'm going to go in and start adding clip-ins onto that bun. And then I'm going to wrap that clip-in around the bun and tuck it in, covering the clips at the front so that it looks like my hair. Then I'm going to do the exact same onto the other side. And this works really well, especially when your hair isn't as long. You want a bigger and fuller look. So after I've done some perfecting, this is what it ends up looking like. Next look we're going to be doing is I'm going to be tying my hair up into a bun as high as you sort of want it to be, and then I'm going to tie that up and again make it into a smaller bun, condense it so it can be as small as possible. Then I'm going to start adding some clip-ins onto that section around my initial bun, and I'm going to gather all that hair up together in the middle using a bobby pin. I'm going to bobby pin it together and stick the bobby pin into the center of the hair so it makes like a donut, and this is what the donut bun ends up looking like. I love this look. It's really sleek and really nice. You can wear it to a black tie gala, you can wear it to picnic, you can wear it anywhere. Of course, I have a coupon code for you guys. The coupon code is tatenda.info, so you can get $5 off your order. So you can use that if you want to place an order. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts on the styles and like the video if you like the video, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. I will see you next week. Mwah.